And you know, it's cold today, so they're not out squealing. But there's the little skins that they shed. And they're all over. Ooh, there's a live one right there. And I don't know, I guess those are, somebody got eaten in the act of doing whatever. Here's one. But their carcasses are everywhere. It's gross! Check this out. There's a whole bunch of them right there, right there. And when it's a warm day, they make this noise that's really loud. I mean, they are freaking everywhere. Fortunately, they don't fly around too much, because then I'd be having a problem. Also, pretty flowers for you guys. Ooh, what the hell was that? And they're big. These are my roses. Get them from the other side. Something pretty to end with.